एवरेस्ट के पहले आई यूज टू बी माई लाइफ बिफोर एवरेस्ट वॉज ऑल अबाउट एवरेस्ट. ओके, nothing I used to do was not related to Everest. I was a completely goal oriented man, obsessed and energy वाला एकदम, just सन की इंसान था मैं for Everest. Once I came back from Everest, and I've never spoken about this to anyone. Okay, अभी just मेरे mind में आया ये, so I thought I'll share it with all of you. I was in the worst place within me after I came back from Everest, because now I had nothing to do. 9 years it took me to get to Everest. The most prominent years of my life, 15 to 24. And now I had nothing to do. Okay, mountains, a lot of them are still there to climb and वो तो है. But this rush that I was thriving on, which used to fuel me, was over. And now I was just dragging on, whereas everyone and everything around me, Everest करके आया है, and everybody wanted to take my interviews and they wanted to invite me for speeches. I used to go there and try to just spread whatever experience I had. But deep within, I was in the most horrible place. I was completely lost. I didn't know what was missing until I realized this in a few weeks, that if your life is fueled by any goal in the materialistic world. For me it was Everest, for people it can be a job, for somebody it can be a college, to get into a college, for somebody it can be a car, for somebody it can be a house, and you get the idea. Somebody it can be money, power, and it's just how it is. And I started just observing people around me. Now I was considered a successful person in world's definition, right? I had climbed Mount Everest, but within me I was the most poor person that I have ever been within me. And I started observing around me the so-called rich people, successful people who roam in Audis and Mercedes and they live in big mansions. I used to just stand on the road. If a big car like a BMW or something used to pass by, I used to just look at the people. I used to not see the joy. I'm sure they had strived to get this BMW. It was their life's goal to get a big car, and now I don't see anything in them. And then I started reading about such people, and I realized that so-called successful people, they are the most miserable within. Because the fuel is always the materialistic world, and that can never give you a long-term fulfillment. So that's when the whole concept of goal setting, goal setting जो होता है ना, वो पूरा उसका definition मेरे लिए personally बदल गया. And I'm sure most people will some point in life reach there. So अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, सुन रहे हो, तो थोड़ा सा हिंट लेना. And मैंने जो गलतियाँ की वो मत करना. See, I'm not saying not to have a goal in the outside world. Definitely have a goal. My next goal is to climb Annapurna. I also want a house in the mountains and on a beach with a bar and everything, with a pool and everything. I also want all those things. But I realize that is not something that can give me happiness. People think, oh, if I get that job, I'll be happy. 1 साल बाद वही जॉब छोड़ने की बात कर रहा है वो. कोई घर खरीदना है उसको, he'll get there for a week or so, he'll be happy. Then यहाँ वहाँ सोचेगा कि okay, now what do I do? Like then he'll think about a bigger house. बड़ी से बड़ी गाड़ी ले ली, फिर बोलेगा कि okay, now this car. So in general, like people think कि oh, once I achieve this, then I'll be happy, then I'll be satisfied. But if you look for satisfaction, happiness in the outside world, you will never get it, because this concept of more is what we think will get us there, but it never does. मेरी बात मत सुनो, किसी को भी देखो आसपास में. But what I realized is, if you really want to get there where you are completely satisfied from within, you have to start accumulating things on the inside. Outside छोड़ना नहीं है, वो तो करना ही करना है. उसके साथ साथ अंदर जो मेस है उस पर ध्यान देना है. And that's when a spiritual angle comes in, because like you work on building the outside conditions around you so smartly through college, through degree, through school, that's how you learn how to build a setting around you, right? Convenience and comfort and power, paisa, gadi. Spirituality is a angle, is a thing you do to build a beautiful world inside you. And only if your outside and inside world is in sync, only then you will be absolutely satisfied, and you will absolutely have that feeling of well-being which you always strive for. And ये डंके की चोट पे कहता हूँ मैं फिर से, आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस अगेन एंड अगेन, आई नो दिस बिकॉज दिस नीड्स टू, लोगों का सर ना इतना, दे हैव फिल्ड इट विथ सो मच कंडीशनिंग दैट इट नीड्स हैमरिंग टू फॉर देम टू पेनिट्रेट दिस थॉट. बाहर की चीज़ों से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, बहुत ही टेम्पररी सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेगा. अंदर झाँको, अंदर की दुनिया पे उतना ही काम करो, उतने ही शिद्दत से काम करो जितनी बाहर की वर्ल्ड पे करते हो. एंड ये चीज़ आज के पहले मैंने कहीं नहीं शेयर की थी. सो थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दैट आउट इन मी, एंड आई थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू मैन.